Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call Me Maybe on the violin. Start by finding the first few notes of Call Me Maybe on your violin. The main melody primarily uses the A and E strings. We'll begin with the iconic opening phrase, focusing on a smooth, consistent bow stroke. Pay close attention to your left-hand finger placement to ensure each note rings out clearly and in tune. This foundational practice will set you up for success. Now, let's focus on the rhythm and timing of Call Me Maybe. The song is in a 4/4 time signature, meaning there are 4 beats per measure. Counting these beats aloud will help you maintain a steady tempo. We'll practice the catchy rhythmic pattern of the chorus, ensuring your bowing matches the song's upbeat feel. Consistent rhythm is key to making the melody recognizable. To truly bring Call Me Maybe to life, we'll explore dynamics and expression. Experiment with varying your bow pressure to create softer and louder sections, adding contrast to the melody. Incorporating a subtle vibrato can add warmth and a professional touch to sustain notes. Focus on connecting your phrases smoothly, aiming for a flowing, lyrical sound that captures the song's joyful energy. For effective practice, aim for several short, focused sessions each day, perhaps 15 to 20 minutes long. Using a metronome will significantly improve your timing and rhythmic accuracy. Once you feel comfortable, try playing along with the original Call Me Maybe track to get a feel for the full arrangement. With consistent effort, you'll be playing this popular tune confidently in no time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.